The broadcast with the breaking inputs that we are getting. After days of protest on the streets, the cry for justice for RG Kar rape and murder victim has now reached the top court, as it is all set to hear the case today after taking suo motu cognizance of the matter. Now, there are 3 petitions in the Supreme Court, 2 filed by Supreme Court lawyers and 1 by a doctor from Army College. Advocates Ujjwal Gaur and Rohit Pandey wrote a letter to the CJI emphasizing on the need for the highest court of the land to intervene with urgency and ensure swift and exemplary action. Dr. Monica Singh from the Army College of Dental Sciences from Telangana has sought immediate deployment of central forces to protect RG Kar Medical College and its staff. Federation of Resident Doctors Association has also filed an intervention plea, and the Supreme Court is going to take up the matter today after suo motu cognizance. We have Harish, our legal editor, getting us more details. Well, people urged the Supreme Court to advocate especially that the highest court of the land needs to intervene now.
Yes, that's right. Good morning, Swati. A very important hearing going to happen as far as the Kolkata horror is concerned. As you rightly said, several letter petitions had gone to the Chief Justice saying that the highest court of the land should send a very strong, resounding message that such heinous crimes against women cannot be tolerated, and Supreme Court has to lay down guidelines as far as the doctors and medical professionals are concerned. So that very important hearing is going to happen at 10:30 today. So much cognizance by Supreme Court comes, you should remember, Swati, close on the heels of Calcutta High Court transferring the probe to CBI, expressing dissatisfaction, displeasure over the manner in which the entire thing is going about, the investigation in which the Kolkata police was conducting the probe. The intervention comes in the wake of mounting public pressure and allegations of mishandling by top hospital authorities and the Kolkata police. In fact, a civic volunteer at the hospital, Sanjay Roy, has been arrested in connection with the crime. However, the victim's family and the protesting doctors across the country alleged that the crime was a gang rape, and they demand a thorough investigation to ensure all culprits are brought to justice. Protesting doctors across the country are also demanding a central protection law, so we'll have to wait and watch. All eyes on the 10:30 hearing.
Thank you very much for getting us the details. So all eyes, of course, are going to be on top court that is going to take up the matter today of the Kolkata rape and murder horror. Citizens are protesting out in the streets. There are 3 petitions. Let's break down the details once again for our viewers. There are 3 petitions in the Supreme Court. 2 have been filed by Supreme Court lawyers and 1 by a doctor from the Army College. Advocates Ujjwal Gaur and Rohit Pandey wrote a letter to the CJI emphasizing that the highest court of the country needs to intervene now. And there is another petition by an army doctor who is seeking protection for the staff of the RG Kar hospital, appealing to the court to deploy central forces.
कोर्ट का एक ऑब्जर्वेशन हो सकता है, कोर्ट एक सजेशन दे सकती है, कोर्ट अपनी बात कह सकती है कि सरकार को इस बात को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि कैसे किसी को सुरक्षा दी जानी चाहिए, कैसे उसके बेसिक जो इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, उसकी जरूरतें होती है, उसको कौन पूरा करेगा। ये सरकार का काम है, कोर्ट सिर्फ इंप्लीमेंट करती है।